Hello everyone, this is Daria from Kaya Academy, and today I am going to show you how to create a Twitter list and join others on your computer. With the listing feature that Twitter offers to users, groups can be created and only tweets of people added to the group can be seen. Apart from creating their own list, users can also subscribe to public lists created by others. So let's see how to create one. Many Twitter users follow thousands of other accounts, and seeing all of those accounts in one chaotic timeline can be overwhelming. If you ever wish that you could see a limited Twitter timeline made up of only your family's tweets, the hottest comedians or fans, or your favorite sports team, so then Twitter lists are for you. So a Twitter list is essentially a separate Twitter feed made up only of accounts you have selected. If you use Twitter for work, they can also be a useful way to separate colleagues and personal friends into different feeds. Maybe you wouldn't want to see them all the time. So Twitter lists can be public or private. And if you create a public list, other users can see it on your profile and can subscribe to it. And if they're also interested in the topic, uh, they can be following you and they can just be viewing your list. So only you can see private lists. So let's show how to do it on your how to do it from your desktop. So what we do, of course, we're gonna go to twitter.com and we're gonna sign into our account. And the other thing is, as you can see from this menu, we have here lists. We're gonna click on this, and as you can see, I haven't created anything. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click create a list right here. As you can see, this blue button here. And now we're gonna name our list. For example, what would I like it to be? Let's call it Darya's list. And let's add a description. Let's say only good ones. As you can see, I have created it, and if I want to, I can add a picture right here like this. Or if I click on this, it's gonna show up. I can just choose something out of my computer. So also, if I want to make it private that only I can see it, I can click on this like here in this box, and it shows a blue tick, but I want other people to see it. So I'm gonna click again to undo it. Now I'm going to click next, and I don't have any suggested members, or there is no one in my list, so I can just search. I would like to add my best friend because I want to see her tweets all the time, and I'd like to add this person because I like what he's sharing, or. So now, since I'm down here, okay, let's add someone else, which is my boyfriend. Okay, now we're gonna click done. As you can see, right now I'm only seeing that the people I have chosen, which is 3 people. I have chosen them, 3 of them, and now I only see contents that are from them. As you can see here, this user that I have followed, and he is using it very, very much, so most of are his things. So this is how it is. But if I go to home, I will be seeing everyone. And how am I gonna get here? So let's assume that we're home. Then we're gonna click lists. And as you can see, here is our list. We're gonna click, and this is how we're able to see the list that we have created. So this was so simple. And also there's this thing we can know. If we want to edit our list, we might want to add people, we might want to remove people. What we're going to do is we're going to click here, right? And then we can change your name, change your description, or make it private. So also the part that you can add or remove people is from here, manage members. As you can see, when I click remove, it's going to be removed. And when I want to add someone, I will click suggested, which I don't have anyone. I would like to put another friend of mine like this. As you can see, now I have 3 of them. It was so simple, right? So as you can see, I have done what I wanted to, and here you can see the people that are in. It is so simple. So also, how do I have told you that if other people that you're following or the person that you want to see, that you want to see their list, if they're not private, of course, how can we subscribe to others to their list? So you can also see and subscribe to other people's Twitter list as long as they made them public and not private, because if it's private, it's only them who can see those things. So the process is the same on desktop and mobile apps. For example, let's go to one of the people. Let's go here. And from here, as you can see, there are 3 dots. And here I can see if he has a list. But he has not created any list. If he would have, then I would be able to see it. So this is so simple. Or maybe he has one, but it is private, so we cannot see it. It's so cool. It's so simple. So if he has it, let's try to see if my friend has it. I got it. He also doesn't have it. If he would have it, I would have this button where it says that I can subscribe. That would be so simple that I would just click on it, and if the time that I would not want to see it anymore, then I would just click back and unsubscribe. So that's very easy, and if you have any questions about it, you can ask me on the comments, or you can ask me any questions about anything else than this video. So thank you for watching. Do not forget to like our video if you want us to keep sharing this content, this kind of contents. And if there are some other topics you want us to talk about, please make them please put them on your comments too, so we can know what you want us to talk about. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, do not forget to hit that button. Thank you for watching. See you. Take care.